Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essential gear and clearing the area. This saves time later. Once you have gloves, a basic toolkit, and the replacement part, disconnect power to avoid shocks. Make 2 or 3 photos of the current setup and label connectors. This prevents mistakes when reassembling. Then work in 30-60-minute focused blocks so you stay efficient. Keep a flashlight handy for tight spaces. These actions set a safe, reversible baseline and let you begin the first actionable step confidently. You now dig into the core procedure. Open panels methodically and keep fasteners grouped by location so reassembly is simple. Once exposed, test connectors and continuity with a meter, checking voltages and resistance to isolate the failing element. If a part is clearly bad, replace it using manufacturer torque and alignment specs. If repair is possible, clean contacts and apply correct lubricants or thermal paste. Make incremental tests as you go so you confirm progress. This reduces rework and you finish by reassembling parts in reverse order, ensuring connectors seat fully and screws meet torque specs. Once done, perform a staged power-up. Brief checks at each step, then a full functional test while logging results and times. Make sure to monitor for heat, noise, or error codes. If the issue persists, pause and use your photos to compare. Double-check wiring and ground references, and consider swapping in an OEM part. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals missed connections or subtle assembly errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.